Sun glints off the snow, a diamond display, forest like lace, where shadows softly play. The drone dips and dives, a fearless ballet, capturing this beauty to take it all away. Fingers on the sticks, a symphony of flight, drone's eye view unfolds, a breathtaking sight, peaks pierce the clouds, a canvas of white, this frozen wonderland, a majestic delight. The car sways and rocks, a grounded routine, but the drone sets me free, a panoramic scene, twisting and turning, a dance in the sky. Swiss mountains unfurl, a tear to my eye. The drone lands softly, the spell starts to fade, but the memory remains, a masterpiece made of mountains and music, a moment divine, the magic of flight, forever entwined. Soaring through the forest, a newfound sense of respect. Learning from the error, a bond I won't forget. Sunlight filters through leaves, painting dappled light below. What follows? An elegant, steady flow, rewriting the story, a choreography in the air, gliding through branches, a breathtaking visual affair. Leaves brush the rotors, a trust rebuilt anew. This aerial ballet, a performance just for you. Sunlight paints the water, a canvas of red and gold. The mirrored descent, a story to be told. Gliding to the shoreline as embers fade in the sky. Our drone ballet concludes beneath the volcanic side. Pushing the limits, pixels on the goggles come alive. Adrenaline pumping, the feeling of being truly alive. Dipping low, skimming the treetops, a symphony of sound. Two drones as one, a bond that's beautifully unbound. Rheinfall's roars in fury, a symphony of my power. Spray paints the air, a misty, ethereal light. Waterfall, Swiss slaps in the wind, a symbol bold and true. Red and white, we thread the needle. Drones a whisper, barely blue. Close formation flying, inches from the falling crest. The thunderous water drowns the drone's whirring nest. surges, a pilot's daring test, capturing beauty's fury, a scene forever impressed. Skimming the castle ramparts, a historic weathered face, gliding past tourists, leaving barely a whirring trace. Sunlight pierces the water, rainbows dance in the mist. An aerial ballet unfolds where nature's grandeur is kissed. Carving through rock formations, sculpted by time's own hand, the power of the falls, a force we understand. Tiny drones